Okay, so welcome to Canva and how to create your infographic. So once you're logged into Canva, you're going to look here on the home. This is the home screen. Click on Education Infographic. You're going to click. It's going to show you the workspace for the infographics. When you first click in, it's going to give you a little tour. I recommend you take the tour of the area, so it gives you little hints. So you scroll down till you find a template you like, and then you click and you drag it onto the plane, the work surface. You see this little caret here. You can hide, once you have your design, you can hide it there. Down here at the bottom is a zoom where you can zoom in to see what you're typing more easily. Zoom in and zoom out. Here are your different elements that you can use. This is completely customizable. So you can add different shapes, arrows, photos, video. We don't want videos because obviously we're printing this. And then different graphics, grids and frames that you can use. You can upload images. If you found something online, you can save the image and then upload it. You can put in text. It shows you different ways you can add text. So there's all kinds of different things that you can do. And when you're done choosing something, simply hide it over on the side. Now, if you make a change, let's see, so you double click, you type in your title, and then you decide, no, I don't want that to happen, or I spelled something wrong, or I realize that it's not criminal justice, it's criminal investigator. So the undo button is up here at the top, and it will undo your work. Okay. You can also see that you can make things bold. You can change the color of your type, change the size, and even the font itself. And they give you a whole bunch of fonts to choose from. Okay. When you are done, you're going to download. Use the. I would use PNG. That's the best one. It's this, and you can use, or you can use JPEG. So PNG or JPEG. I think to get it into Google, I think you have to use JPEG or PDF standard, one of these two. But you'll change it to either JPEG or PDF standard, and then you're going to download it. Save the file as your name, okay? So when you click download, it's going to download it into a PDF, and then you're going to upload this and attach it to your Google Classroom, okay? To your assignment in Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please let me know. But otherwise, just feel free to explore and look at all of the different things that you can do. You can align, you can make bulleted lists, and just explore it and enjoy the process. Have fun designing.